All right, so we got a fuel cell that showed up today. Pretty pumped to open it up. It's been a long day. It's like 9 o'clock, but let's go ahead and open this thing up, see what comes inside. It's a 10-gallon fuel cell, and you get the option of choosing whether you want, what kind of fuel pumps you want with it. So I chose 255 liter per hour Walbro fuel pump. But yeah, let's see what's inside this thing. Most important part right there, stickers. Bunch of other goodies, maybe some heat shrink. Well, some hardware.
Just items they can get.
Yep.
So.
Cool. Some more stickers. And some certification stuff.
For your race
I
car?
don't know what the hell you need this for, but
Track.
assembled by Jim. Thanks, Jim. Appreciate it. Been waiting a long time for this.
Yeah, how long did it take from when we ordered it?
It's been like, what, 3 weeks? It's been that long?
I won't say longer than that.
Maybe a month. Yeah, maybe a month. It's been a while. I forgot about it. One of them things where you stay up late after you order it for a few days, and then you dream about it, and then you just forget about it because it takes forever. Tell all your buddies about it, and then they're like, "Yeah, where's that fuel cell you ordered?"
Yeah, it was ordered April 1st and showed up May 5th.
Nice. So just over a month.
May 4th, yeah.
Got some hefty old cardboard there. Probably why it costs so much, all the packaging.
So it comes with the fuel pump already installed because you ordered it with it, right?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, so that's what they call like the surge tank. I guess fuel pump housing. This is nice looking.
Yeah.
Anything else in the box?
Nope.
No extra goodies? Oh. Top quality. I was looking at getting like just a regular fuel cell. Well, I don't know. There was, I guess you could call it a fuel cell, fuel tank. Just like an aluminum tank. Some pretty cheap, like a cheap one. But I figured if you're gonna do it, might as well get something good instead of turning around and buying something better later down the road. Dang, man, it's so fresh. Looks so good.
Got foam in there,
Yeah.
so gas doesn't slosh.
There is a bunch of accessories and stuff you can buy for this. So like there's a cage that you can buy I was looking at and straps, but I'm just gonna build all that stuff myself. I really don't need that. But obviously, so inside of this tank, they've got foam to keep the fuel from sloshing. And there's also a bladder inside that gives you extra protection, I guess, in case it was ever in collision or you get in a crash, whatever. So that's nice.
Yeah. Build quality looks decent. Really nice.
Welds on the side of the tank. Like it all looks pretty clean. I really like how it's like anodized green. All the plaques are all the yeah, I guess you call them plaques. Whatever you want to call them.
There's an expiration date.
Yeah, I guess like I'm assuming for racing, like if you were to use this for racing, there might be certain standards you have to have, right? I know like for helmets, you can only use them for so long before
3 years or
they
something.
expire, and then you gotta get new one. So you can run up to, so there's, like I was saying, there's a surge tank inside here. So basically you got all your fuel inside the tank, and there's one lift pump that takes fuel and puts it into the surge tank. And then you have a fuel pump that pumps that up to the fuel rail. So
what controller do you hook up to this?
you just power. I don't know if there's a signal. Honestly, I don't know.
From your aftermarket ECU.
Good to figure all that out. Yeah, like you're gonna have a fuel regulator. Just basically like key on, it's got power, and the pump's gonna run. And as soon as you key on, you got pressure, right?
Yeah.
AN fittings. Yeah, it's all sort of a learning experience, but there's so much out there. Shouldn't be too bad to learn. Different size fittings. I'm excited. Finally, now that I got this, I'll be able to finish up a bit of the framework in the back and figure out exact size that I need to run the metal structure across to get this fitting perfect in the car. I'll get her all welded up. So,
Nice.
yep.